That syrup may not be so sweet. Got a cold? Grab a syrup. But wait, most of the cough syrups what you are taking are cocktails of sedatives, of antihistamines, and of course sugar. And these syrups, these sedatives what you are taking cause brain fog, they will cause you drowsiness and also delayed reaction time because it delays your reaction. The decongestants can spike your blood sugar, blood pressure, and that sweet taste, often packed with sugar or alcohol, which isn't ideal if you are a diabetic or on medication. What you think is harmless relief could be harming your nervous system and in the long run your metabolism also. So take care of the cough syrups you are taking and also avoid them for your own good, because in the long run these are going to impact your health. So take care of yourself, have a great day, and Jai Hind.